Unveiling Biofilms, nature's complex bacterial communities you never knew about. Biofilms are intricate communities of bacteria, distinct from isolated cells, showcasing cooperation and complexity. These structures resist antibiotics, posing significant challenges in medical treatments and infection control. Recent research at the Max Planck Centrum reveals key physical processes behind biofilm formation and upkeep. Biofilms resemble human tissues, evident in oral biofilms and the gut microbiome's diverse functions. The extracellular polymeric matrix stabilizes biofilms, acting as a nutrient reservoir and protection against antimicrobials. Join us in exploring the captivating world of biofilms.